Welcome back, PHTech. It's been way too long. For those that don't know me, I'm Miguel, and this is a brand new channel. Previous links to our old videos are all gone because we deleted them. So that's okay, new beginnings. Let's start with the very first PC build of PHTech. First victim is my eldest daughter. Her name's Talia. She also has her own YouTube channel, which apparently hasn't been updated for quite a long time now, but she's gonna get back to it. Check her out at the link in the description below. She sings, she dances, she plays instruments. I think she'll be using this new PC for all of that, and content creation, maybe a little gaming with Dad. So let's interview her. And we're here in the studio with Talia.
Hi!
So Talia, why don't you tell them what you do with your computer?
Okay, well I have content creation, which is music, so I sing, I play instruments and stuff. I also edit photos and videos, and I do, all of that. And because I'm a student, of course, I write essays, but, that doesn't really matter. So yeah.
Why doesn't it matter?
I'd rather focus on art because, I can do all the essays on any laptop or computer really, so see, it's the same outcome,
Okay, so when it comes to using a computer for all your media, what do you think is important?
Speed. I like speed when it comes to media and stuff.
Okay.
Yeah. I also like, quality, of course.
You mean good colors?
Yes.
Like what you see, correct? So, what do you do in particular? You shoot videos, you shoot photos, what else?
I shoot videos, I shoot photos, I edit them.
Okay.
And I also sing, I do covers and stuff, and I do that all on my computer.
How about for video? What do you think is something important from the computer when you're working on videos?
When I'm editing, I like to do a lot of things, and with the computer I'm using now, it won't be able to handle the stuff I want to do.
And what computer is that?
It's an iMac.
Okay.
I don't know much about computers, that. So yeah, I know it's an iMac.
So one problem that we currently have is Talia is used to using Final Cut Pro, which as we know is not available on Windows platform. We'll have to teach her how to use Premiere, DaVinci Resolve, After Effects, Lightroom. Lightroom you know how to use.
Yeah, I've been using my mom's computer for that, which is tiring to go to her room all the time and ask, hey, can I use your computer just to edit? So, it's nice having my own.
So what are you expecting out of all of this? What do you think kind of computer will I build for you?
I know that you're gonna build a strong one that can handle my editing and what I'm gonna be making. So yeah, hopefully.
Be careful with those words.
Why?
Because most of the time, a powerful computer is expensive. And who's paying for this?
Me. Yeah, I'm paying for this. I have a summer job and I'm using that money.
Okay, you get out of the studio and I'm gonna build your computer.
Okay, good luck.
Back in my office. Let's start with the basics. Given that Talia needs a machine that can do real work, because she records music and does videos, and I want to play games with her, these are the parts that I chose for her build. Remember, she's paying for this, so I can't go over the top. So for those of you that are expecting the most expensive stuff, not gonna happen. Not even with my build. Anyway, more on that later. Let's start with the CPU. So for this build, I chose the Ryzen 3000. It's a 3700X. It's decent for what she needs. In fact, I think it's more than what she needs. But see, I'm thinking of a machine that will reach maybe 5-6 years. When she gets to college and needs more processor-intensive applications. And then it's followed by the MSI-Link X570 Gaming Edge Wi-Fi. Now, a lot of people are gonna say this is not a good X570 board. Well, that's because it doesn't have good VRMs. I'm not overclocking. The only reason why I got the X570 is because, remember, I said 5 to 6 years. And maybe there'll come a time that she'll need a faster SSD drive for when, for example, 8K arrives or maybe 16K video arrives. So for both of these two, I got them as a package in Lazada for $31,599. I believe it's MSI-Link that sold it. It's not the cheapest price that you can find online locally. Point is, I bought this when things were running out of stock. So I basically had to get the first available 3700X that I could find with a decent motherboard. For RAM, I got the 3200 MHz G.Skill Trident Z C16 unit. It's not the fastest, but then again, like I said, my daughter's paying for this. Good enough for her. So I got these for $9,450 through DynaQuestPC. Next, I got the Sabrent Rocket NVMe PCIe M.2 SSD. It's pretty new. If you check online, not so many reviews about it yet. The fact that it can do 3,500 megabytes per second, it's quick. So we'll see how this thing works out in the long run. I got the Sabrent 1TB NVMe through Amazon. Let me check the price. $6,422.92. That's with the dollar exchange during the time. Next is a simple 1TB 7200 RPM Western Digital Blue hard drive. We're starting off with 1TB because I don't know yet how fast she's gonna fill this up. Plus, of course, I want to game with her, so she's gonna need some space for her games. The beauty of this is it only costs 2,100 pesos. The SSD will be mostly for Windows and her applications, while this old spinning drive is gonna be used mostly for media and games. Then we have the Radeon RX 5700 XT by Gigabyte. Okay, the reason why I picked this for Talia is because it does 2070 super speeds, and I think that's a good thing. Though it does not have the RTX things like ray tracing and all those other things, I think what's more important for Talia is the raw horsepower which this one has. It can almost compete with my current 2080 in my machine. I got this for 23,700 pesos from DynaQuestPC. This box contains cable extensions. It's not actually for Talia. This is actually for me. But let me show you what's inside. This is what you get inside. So they make your cables neater. So especially if you have like a window, a glass window, tempered glass for example, at the side of your PC case, it makes your build so much more beautiful. I got these through Amazon at 1,776 pesos and change. Now, the reason why I picked this over, the more premium brands like CableMod, for example, is one cable from CableMod is the same price as this whole set. Big difference there. Next is the Rode NT2A microphone set. Comes with the mic itself, the pop filter, and the shock mount. I got this for about 30,000 pesos. You know what, there's an article about this, I wrote about this, and I'll put the link in the description below. It's a funny story, and I think you're gonna enjoy it. And last but not the least, the Edifier, oh it's heavy, R1850DB. It's a stereo pair and it has great reviews. Probably link you some reviews and some comparisons down in the description below. This cost me 7,650 and I got them from PCHub in Gilmore. Note that they don't have the cheapest price for this, but they're the only ones that had stock. So that's the reason. There are a few things missing, like for example, monitor. There's no keyboard, there's no mouse, there's not even a case. So what's going on? There's a good answer for that. See, right behind me, I have two monitors. So this one, my Dell 27-inch something model is going to Talia. Is also going to Talia, including the Cooler Masterliquid ML240L RGB, which is a water cooler for the processor. Oh, and plus, my case right now has Talia's sleeve cables. So that's why I showed you mine, because she's getting mine. One more thing, the power supply. She's also getting my power supply. So I got myself this RM750X. My current power supply, which is going to Talia, is the Corsair TX750M, which is very similar to this, except mine is semi-modular and this is fully modular, which means this one doesn't have any cables attached to the power supply by default. They're all removable. That's the difference. Welcome back to my face. We're now here in Talia's room where we are about to show her her new computer. It's been a long, tiring day, but I think she's gonna love this. Let's call her. Talia, come in. Cover your eyes.
Okay. I can't anymore going.
Okay. Forward. There's a big pile of poop. Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
No. I'm ready.
Go. Open your eyes.
Oh my god! Oh my god! There. It's like. That's so good. Oh my god.
I hope you like your computer.
I do.
More than the looks. I hope you'll be able to do all your work here. And I really hope that your channel starts moving again.
No, I will. It will. Oh, the colors are so cool. I can change this, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell the people to go to your channel so that they'll see what this computer can do.
Okay, go to my YouTube channel. The link is in the description box below. It's Talia Findo. I hope you enjoy my music and my stuff there.
Thank you guys for watching. If you would like to see more of this type of content, press the like button. If you didn't, press the dislike. Now, please hit the subscribe button. I may give away something really soon. Wait for the next episode. Anyway, thanks. See you next time.